In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay expenses with owner funds in QuickBooks Online. This process is crucial for accurately tracking owner-paid expenses and ensuring that your business accounts reflect these transactions correctly. We'll break this down into two main parts: recording the owner's expense and reimbursing the owner. Let's start with recording the owner's expense. First, go ahead and open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side menu panel and click on Expenses. This will take you to a central location where you can manage all your expenses. Here, click on the Expenses tab, which gives you a view of all transactions you've logged. Next, on the dashboard, click New Transaction, and when the drop-down menu appears, select Expense. Now you're positioned to create a new expense entry. Begin by entering or selecting the payee. This could be your business owner who incurred the expense. Then proceed to select the payment account from which the funds were used. Make sure you specify the payment date, as accurate dating of transactions is critical for bookkeeping. After setting the date, choose the payment method like credit card, cash, or bank transfer. Add the appropriate category for the expense. This will help in organizing how the expenses show on your financial reports. Accompany this with a clear and concise description of what the expense was and input the amount that was paid. If the expense is billable to a specific customer, ensure to check the billable box and apply the relevant tax if applicable. Wrap up this section by selecting the customer from the list if needed, and you have the option to add any necessary mems for further clarification. Finally, click Save and Close to record the owner's expense. Now, moving on to the reimbursement step. Begin from the main dashboard and click on Plus New, located in the left side menu below the logo. In the drop-down options, click on Check. This takes you to a new window where you will fill in the reimbursement details. Once again, select the payee, which would typically be the owner in this scenario. Click on the bank account where the reimbursement funds are drawn from. In the Details section, just as before, fill in the category, description, and the amount you're reimbursing. Remember to check for billability and apply taxes if necessary. Don't forget to link this reimbursement to a specific customer if it is connected to a client job. Finally, click Save and Close to complete the reimbursement process. By carefully following these steps, you can ensure that expenses paid with owner funds are accurately recorded and reimbursed in QuickBooks Online, making your financial tracking both complete and accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!